Meaning of fissured.
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 Fissured. Fissured refers to something that is split or cracked, often in a pattern resembling narrow openings or gaps. When an object or surface becomes fissured, it can weaken and become more prone to further damage if not repaired or reinforced. For example, a fissured foundation may compromise the stability of a building, while fissured pavement can be hazardous for cars and pedestrians. In general, any instance of fissuring can signal a need for closer inspection and maintenance to prevent additional damage or danger.